Just don't do this. Nobody wants this. Nobody wants, no one. Not a soul. Not a single soul. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely oh no, almost yeeted my mirror off my table. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. We have made it to double digits of advent calendars. Today we have advent calendar number 10 in our series. Today is the day before Christmas Eve, but I have 4 advent calendars left, so we're gonna sneak one in there after Christmas, but it'll be real easy, like, don't pay any, never mind to it. But I was doing advent calendar unboxings in January last year. So today we're going to be doing the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty advent calendar. This is supposed to have a $343 value to it. Very curious as to what is in here because I personally don't know if samples can add up to $435. Looking on the website while trying to avoid all the spoilers, it says this is $99, which for some reason I thought it was more than that, but since it's only $99, a $434 value is very good. So hopefully the items in here are good. Really quickly looking at the reviews though, all of them are 5-star reviews with the exception of one. And one of the reviews says, I don't quite understand all the negative reviews posted here. So either people went and deleted their reviews or somebody else perhaps might have gone and deleted some negative reviews because there's only one 3-star review and everything else is 5-star. Let's go ahead and get on into this box here. I do like this little ribbon closure. I think that's kind of cute. And then it unfolds to reveal all of the days. Being whacked. The doors themselves are actually kind of a decent size, so I'm wondering if there are some full-size things in here. That would be really lovely. So let's go ahead and begin with day number 1, if I can find it. Try not to open day 7 because, you know, that 7 and 1 are so similar. Day number 1 is over here. This is very difficult. It's a very skinny little door. The first item we have is a galactic eyeliner. I've received this several times in like probably Macy's beauty boxes past. I did used to get the Macy's beauty box and then one day it just stopped coming. I don't really know why. Part of me thinks, like, in my conspiracy theory part of my brain, that they found out who I was somehow and then canceled my subscription because I kept giving them bad reviews. All right, next up we have day number 2, which is located over here. I'm actually very excited about this. It is like a deluxe sample size, but this is my favorite mascara. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and I love it. All right, day number 3 is right here. It's in a fairly large door. I'm guessing some type of like spray bottle. Let's go ahead and see. Next thing we have is from Mario Badescu. And this is the facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. That sounds lovely. Oh, that smells really good. Smells like salad dressing. I really do like the way this smells. I've heard, like, you know, around the what do I say, the bush? That's not a saying. Around the bush? No. I've heard people say that this might be just like a little bit on the overpriced side. Maybe it doesn't really do much, but at least it smells real nice. Okay, 4 is right here. These doors definitely don't leave too much to the imagination. I mean, like, we don't necessarily know what product's in here, but I'm betting my eye tooth that this is some type of squeezy bottle full of cream or a squeezy bottle full of something. And it is. So this is from Clinique. It is the liquid face soap, which is an interesting name for cleanser. She doesn't really say too much about it, but this is the oily skin formula. I personally don't have oily skin. Parts of my face are like ridiculously dry, so this probably wouldn't work out for me. Putting stuff like this in an advent calendar is a little bit hard because it is like specified for one skin type, whereas like this little spray here says for all skin types, so stuff like this might be a little bit better to include than something like super specific. Next up we have day number 5. It also looks like a squeezy tube of some sort, perhaps maybe like a lip product. No. The next thing we have is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm. It is firm. Collagen moisturizer that has 7 forms of collagen in it. This is a very small little sample, but Peter Thomas Roth is pretty expensive. I wouldn't mind giving this a try. I wouldn't care to start firming up a little bit. I'm pretty sure you start losing elasticity when you're like 21. I'm several years past 21. Where is it? 6 is next. Spam risk. I don't think so. I don't even have a car. Trying to reach me regarding my car's extended warranty. Little do they know. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is cleansing spa water. I'm going to assume this is some type of micellar water. This is from Kojendo. I think, is that expensive? I feel like that's pretty expensive. I'm going to assume most of the things in here are going to be like higher end kind of luxury brands because they are coming from Macy's. 7 is located up here at this corner. Oh, okay, we have something from Stila. Is it? Yes! I personally love these Stila liquid eyeshadows. I like the glittery ones. I like the ones that are just shimmery. I think they're real good. This is the Shimmer and Glow in the shade Starlight. And yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to have this. I don't even know what it looks like yet. I'm just so excited. I also think this is a full size Macy's. I'm actually like kind of a little bit impressed. Will you give me my subscription back now? There it is swatched on the hand. I think it's really pretty. It's just kind of like a nice creamy golden shade. Oh, the mistletoe. 8 is right here. It's kind of a long door. I wonder if this is something full size. Oh, and I actually think it is something full size. I'm kind of excited. Ow! That was the universe being like, don't get ahead of yourself. The next thing we have in here is from Tarte. This is a matte tint. So this is in the shade Whisper. Was that creepy enough? I think it was. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Tarte like this before. It has a little bit of like a pepperminty scent to it. Looking for something to wipe my mouth with. Voila. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. It actually goes really well with the sweater I'm wearing right now. It's like almost the same color. Will you relax out there? Oh wow, I wonder what day number 9 could be. It couldn't possibly be something like a brush. Be sarcastic, get smacked in the face with your box. It is a Luxie brush. I personally really like Luxie brushes. I get them on a lot of my like subscriptions and stuff. I think they're very nice and soft. They're pretty good quality. And they might be a little less expensive than something like a Sigma brush, but I still think they're really nice. This one is the large angled brush. And is next, it looks like we have another little squeezy tube of some sort. The next thing we have is from Lavido. This is the Age Away Hydrating Cream. Oh, I feel like they're trying to tell me something here, that this is supposed to revitalize, hydrate, and repair your skin. Day number 11 is over here, and we have a pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. This is supposed to be an anti-blemish and mattifying acne treatment. Okay, again, this is something that's a little like very specific for certain skin types and certain people. If you don't have acne, then this might not be great for you. I personally get breakouts on my chin really bad, so this could actually work for me. But because I don't really break out anywhere else on my face, I'll probably just concentrate it here. It does have salicylic acid in it, so I don't know if that's like okay to put on skin that isn't acne prone. All right, moving on to day number 12. It also looks like some type of squeezy tube. Ooh, Macy's! If I keep saying nice things, you might give me my subscription back because I really actually like this. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. It doesn't feel like there's much in here, but this stuff is stupid expensive. It's so expensive. I never in my life, it is also anti-aging. You're really getting the point across, Macy's. I never in my life thought I would spend like outrageous amounts of money on like a cream or a serum, but I have purchased this before because I do really like it. Did they not put 13 on here because of like bad luck or something? Oh no, I'm just blind. Okay, so the next thing we have, this is a sample that I am very familiar with. This is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum Eclat. And the reason I am so familiar with this is because I got it in Macy's Beauty Box like 5,000 times. So yeah, there's another one of it. All right, 14's looking like another squeezy tube. I feel like we're a little heavy on the squeezy tubes in this calendar. I wish there was a bit more makeup. All right, the next item we have here is from Yves L'Homme, and I think that's a really fancy brand. If it's not, it sure sounds like one. This is the Rescue Mask, and that's all it says. So Yves L'Homme Rescue Mask. All right, day number 15 is a little square door. This brand, I'm fairly certain, is another stupid expensive skincare brand. This is the SK2 RNA Power New Age Moisturizing Cream. Is it also an anti-aging thing? If you're wanting to get like an advent calendar for somebody like on the younger side, you know, like somebody in high school or something like that, I don't know if I'll necessarily go with this one because half this stuff is anti-aging. So this might be for just like a slightly older audience, just slightly. All right, 16 is up next. It is also looking like another little squeezy tube. There's a lot of skincare stuff in this. The next item we have is from Bare Minerals. This is the Prime Time Original Primer. It is supposed to be a foundation primer. That's what it is. This is a pretty small sample, and for a brand that isn't like super duper expensive, I feel like this could maybe be a bit bigger. 17 is Wretchier. At first I thought it was gummy candy and I was kind of excited, and then I thought it was vitamins and I was much less excited. But this is the Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C capsules. They're like individual little pods of vitamin C. I think they do it that way so like it doesn't lose its potency. Oh, this door is shaped as yet another squeezy tube. So moving on to day 18, and it is this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. This is a super scrubby scrub. It has tiny little things and it just scrubs your skin off. It is a little bit abrasive. I would definitely recommend just using this like once a week, once every 2 weeks. Day number 19 is next. And again, I'm fairly certain this is a very expensive brand. This is the Shiseido Ultimune Power Infused something concentrate. Is this also to make you not old? It doesn't really say much about what this is, how to use it, anything like that, so you definitely need to like look this stuff up before you just start smacking it on your face. All right, so we're coming to the last few days here. Next up we have day number 20, which is up in this top corner. The next little item is from Perricone MD. This is the Cold Plasma Plus. I think I've received like a large tub of this at some point and it was really expensive, so I'm guessing this little sample probably has some value to it. It says it is an advanced serum concentrate. I think again it probably has something to do with anti-aging. I'm hoping we see some more makeup items in here. We've had a lot of skincare, so maybe the last few days will be some more makeup. All right, so door number 22 is over here. Oh, okay, so we do actually have a little bit of makeup here. The next item we have is from Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Setting Powder in Glow. I was kind of hoping this would just be the regular translucent setting powder because I was just saying I'm running out of powder. And so I was hoping I wouldn't have to buy any more. But I think this is actually some type of like shimmery powder. Yeah, okay, I doubt you guys are gonna be able to see this, but it's swatched right there and it does kind of have a little bit of like a glow and a shimmer to it. It's not just the regular translucent setting powder, but I guess you can use it as setting powder if you do want more of like a twinkle to your face. If you're going for that Edward Cullen-esque look. However, this one isn't nearly as sparkly and I doubt wind chimes are gonna play like when you walk out into the sun. Oh, look at that. I can't count. I forgot day number 21 just entirely. So let's go ahead and open that one up. Next thing we have in here is from Sunday Riley. This is the Ice Hydrating Cream. It smells a little bit like a doctor's office. I'm not sure why. Yeah, but anyway, so another hydrating cream. We do have a lot of little creams here. It's a little bit cream face product heavy for me. You definitely can't try all this stuff at one time, I'm fairly certain. I know nothing about face care, skin stuff. I don't think it would be a good idea to just like slap all this on your face at one time to give it a try. Okay, 20, 21, 20, 23, which is over here. It's a very strange size door. It smells really good though. I can smell it like through the bottle. This is from Sundari. It is a chamomile eye oil. I personally don't know if I've ever used an eye oil before, but yes. It is to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. We get it. Oh my god, I'm getting old. I do like eye creams and stuff like that, so I'll definitely give this a try. This also smells really fantastic. Okay, I thought it did. When I initially like sniffed the outside of the bottle, it smelled like very like lemony. Oh, it smells like Garden Ridge. You guys ever been to a Garden Ridge? I don't even know if they're in business anymore. All right, so we are on to day number 24 here. It is a fairly small door. I'm hoping it's some type of makeup product and not another little pot of cream. But if I wasn't disappointed, would it be an advent calendar? Would it really? It looks like we have yet another little pot of cream here. This is from Kiehl's. It is the Super Multi-Corrective Cream, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm fairly certain it said that it's supposed to be for firming. Visibly firms, lifts, smooths, boosts radiance, moisturizes, even texture, and enhances healthy complexion. Wow, that really is a multi-corrective cream. Just go ahead and add that to the stack of creams next to me. And we can move on to our final day, which is over here. It is kind of a large size door, so maybe some type of makeup product. It would be nice to see like a little eyeshadow palette or a small blush or something like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so day number 25. How could I forget? How could I forget? Macy's is just absolutely convinced the best and biggest thing that they can give you, the treat, the specialist, most precious surprise, is a coupon for purchasing more stuff from their store. So I have a $10 off coupon for my next beauty purchase from Macy's. It also is only valid till the end of January. So just don't do this. Nobody wants this. No one, not a soul. Not a single soul wants the very last day of their advent calendar that they've spent $99 on. They're so excited about getting new makeup and beauty stuff, and to open up the last day, which is supposed to be, in my eyes at least, like the best day. It's supposed to be, you know, you've made it, you've counted down, you're getting to the biggest surprise, to get a $10 off coupon. I'm fairly certain they did this last year too, and I entirely forgot about it. To me, this is more offensive than a keychain, because it's like, oh, you paid the $99 for all of our sample size stuff, so why don't you go ahead, try some of it out, and when you see that you actually like a full size thing, you can go ahead and buy it for like a ridiculous amount of money, because all this stuff is very expensive. But don't worry, we got you covered. We got you a $10 off coupon, but you gotta use it before the end of January. This calendar would have been so much more worth it to me if on the last day we opened it up and there was like a little eyeshadow palette, like a blush compact, a highlight. It could have literally been just about anything besides a $10 off coupon. This to me is just like a throwaway day. Like 25 just basically doesn't even exist. This is definitely like a gimmick to get you to buy more from them. And also, most people are gonna forget about this. I likely will forget about this. There's nothing I need to purchase right now, so this is gonna go like sit in my purse till January 31st. And probably much longer. It's gonna expire and then I'll never use it. Okay, but apart from the $10 off coupon, the rest of the calendar. I was off to a really, really happy start with this calendar. We got the little Stila thing, we got a Luxie brush, we had a full-size eyeliner, a sample size of my favorite mascara, one of my favorite moisturizers, and then after we got like this kind of stuff, we just continuously got moisturizers. Lots of moisturizers and face stuff, which I mean, a lot of people do really like skincare things. They really enjoy them. So more power to you if that's your kind of thing. But I think a lot of them are super targeted for different audiences. So this would definitely be like a little bit of a difficult gift to just get somebody randomly because you don't know necessarily their skin types or concerns. I'm not really sure about this one. I was kind of happy and then things started like, you know, just declining, plateauing just a little bit. And then we got to day 25 and it was like, whew. If it was just like an extra thing, like, oh, also here's $10 off, but you also get a day 25, that would be perfectly fine. That would be very nice. But don't be like, ooh, day number 25. You've been counting down to this. You've waited nearly a month. We're getting to like the big showstopper and it's a $10 off coupon. So anyway, that leaves me just kind of on the fence. It's not the worst. It's not the best, but I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions. Let me know what you think about this calendar down below in the comments. I would love to read and respond to them. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day and a super happy holiday season, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!